Deep in the heart of the world, there is a place where every animal has a voice, a place called the Animal Kingdom. This is Kiro, a brave tiger with a kind heart and a question that would change everything. For many seasons, the Animal Kingdom lived in peace. Each animal respected the other. But one day, something felt wrong. The river grew quiet. The forest stopped singing. Kiro knew peace does not disappear by accident. Something was breaking the balance. Zippy, his playful friend, tried to laugh it away, but even he felt the fear. Only one animal knew the truth, Elder Owlin. When one animal takes too much, the whole kingdom suffers. Fear had turned into greed, and greed was hurting everyone. Kiro didn't roar, he listened. With strength and kindness, Luma helped restore the land. Together, they learned something powerful. No one survives alone. When respect returned, so did the river. The animal kingdom breathed again. Being brave doesn't mean being loud. It means doing what's right. Every choice matters, even small ones. Balance was restored because someone cared. From that day on, Kiro became the guardian of balance. And remember, you are part of a kingdom too. If you enjoyed this story, like, share, and subscribe. More magical stories are waiting for you.